When I speak, my mind goes blank. If you are also facing this problem, friends, then this video is for you. By the end of this video, you will exactly know how to deal this problem and how to fix it. Your mind might goes blank when speaking English due to a certain reasons. The first one is lack of English practice. The second one is fear of making mistakes. The third one is thinking in your native language. The fourth one is pressure to speak fast. And the last fifth one is not enough exposure. So let's discuss these all 5 major problems that we are done in our English conversation. When we speak, our mind goes blank. So these are the major reasons. If we resolve it, if we discuss it, then definitely we will be succeeded in our goal, and we will overcome our fear, and we will overcome in our we will overcome in this issue. The first one is lack of practice, lack of English practice. Yes, you heard it right. If you don't use English in your daily conversation, then your brain don't used to retrieving words and sentences quickly. So practice English regularly. This will overcome your problem. The second one is fear of making mistakes. Yes, you heard it right. Anxiety about pronunciation, words, sentences, or being judged makes your brain freeze, and it can freeze your thinking process. So don't worry too much about fear of making mistakes. The third one is thinking in your native language. Yes, you heard it correctly. If you are thinking in your native language and then you translate it to English, then this will slows down your confidence and causes hesitation. So the third one is don't think in your native language and don't translate the English language in your native language. The fourth one is pressure to speak fast. Some people wants to speak fast and fast English, and it causes so much difficulties in their language. So always speak slow, always speak English when you start English. So keep in your mind that you should speak slowly. Day by day you can increase your speed. Not at the start you said that I had to speak fast and fast English. This can cause hesitation and it can slows down your learning process. The fifth one is not enough exposure. Means when you don't listen English contents and simple podcast in English and reading and writing books, so it can cause so much difficulties in your English language, and you don't learn and you don't memorize any words and any sentence. So always be calm and listen more and more English content in English language. This will help a lot to improve your English language. So always be calm and keep consistency and be patient. Firstly, we discuss about when I speak, our mind goes blank. So what's the reason behind this? And I told all the reasons behind this problem, and now how to fix this problem. So the first step for the correction of this problem is speaking daily. Yes, you heard it right. If you speak daily in English conversation, even it's just with yourself, with friends, family, or in online groups, you will achieve your goals in English, and definitely you will be able to speak very good English, and you will be resolved to this problem. The second step is slow down. Yes, you heard correctly. Keep your learning process of English language journey consistently, but little bit slow down, because when you speak and when you learn English on daily basis, then don't worry too much about making fast and fast English. Keep your learning process consistently but slowly. The third step is thinking in English. Yes, you heard it right. Your every working activity should be in English. Yes, you heard it right correctly. You, when you work, when you studies, or when you using social media, everything should be in English. And try to speak and try to write and try to listen and try to do every activity as possible as you can do should be in English. This will helps a lot to improve your learning skills. The third one is improve your listening skills. Yes, try to listen podcast, watching TVs, mm, English movies, and YouTube contents or YouTube English videos in English. This will help a lot to improve your English learning ability. The fifth one is learn common phrases. Yes, learn common phrases on daily basis like short sentences, new words, vocabulary. This will help a lot to improve and to solve this problem and to fix this problem. By combining these practices, you will definitely achieve your goal and you will definitely solve this problem. If you like this video, hit the bell icon and share